Project Madison aims to solve the problem posed to U.S. internet firms by copycats. Many might not be aware of the problem, so let's have a brief look at it. True entrepreneurs in the U.S. are continuously coming up with brilliant ideas, of which some start gaining acceptance in their respective target markets. They then go through the entrepreneurial process, which turns these ideas into businesses that end up generating millions of dollars whilst changing their users' lives. This is when European semi-entrepreneurs step into action. They like to think of themselves as entrepreneurs, but they are merely exploiting the potential of a business form already legitimated elsewhere. Taking advantage of the liability of newness, lack of market visibility and connectedness with a resource network that all startups experience, these semi-entrepreneurs execute the U.S. firm's identical business strategy throughout European and other international markets by copying the idea, the operating procedures, and often even the design. Once the focal firm is ready to internationalize, it is confronted with the harsh reality of their precious business idea already being present in every attractive target market in the form of a clone. Thus, the focal firm is often left with the only options of buying out these wannabes, which often turn out to be nothing more than shaky facades, or trying to establish their business in a very crowded and polluted market. Now that we have understood the problem, let us render Madison's proposed solution in broad strokes. By collaborating with overseas venture capital firms and actively monitoring the industry, Madison engages startups at an early stage. An agreement is reached by which, through a standalone investment fund, Yesse obtains an interest in the focal firm in exchange for access to an unrivaled ecosystem of resources aimed at tackling U.S. startups' challenge of internationalization. Led by Yesse and in collaboration with its partner network, the focal firm is presented with a platform of tools, human capital, expert advisors, infrastructure, additional funding channels, as well as further legitimacy. Madison, as a central unit, connects the efforts of the student clubs, alumni network, and faculty, amongst others, towards executing the focal firm's strategy across several European markets. The focal firm is thus able to focus its primary efforts on local expansion and the fine-tuning of its business model during the crucial growth phase, yet it is given the opportunity of being a truly born global firm from the get-go. Furthermore, simultaneous implementation across different markets allow for best practices to evolve more quickly and for knowledge exchange to be two-sided. The partnership with Madison should always be considered a transitional stage, a halfway house on the road from market to hierarchy. Thus, when the focal firm decides it is ready to internationalize, it takes over control of its foreign operations in order to develop the already established positions further.